extra bad. Whoa.
Between me and Adam, the.
I would rather eat that burp.
Because people are like, you know, like, this is blood.
I didn't know you can comment that, but
yeah, no, it's the burp emoji.
The ice cream.
I'm about to burp.
hey, what I meant by that. Sorry, I've already been having some cider.
I don't know, man. I don't know.
See ya.
See ya.
Goodbye.
Showing how like crappy it would be if you were to just visit Minecraft in real life.
Oh god.
It looks like okay, over reading art.
I'm soon, maybe. Oh, these burps are killing me.
Might as well stick a burp in. I'm going to burp. I'm gonna burp. Pardon me.
I think it's a good. You know what?
Sorry, I was about to burp.
No, oh yeah, we're keeping that in.
Find something else to do.
Hey, you want to hear me burp? Wish granted.
Oh my goodness.
I'm sorry.
I gave it to you. You can do it so good.
Yes. To the house, and the boys are about to come in. Oh, how's for you?
It's the worst. I can't force it back. Sweet. Excuse yourself.
Excuse me.
Oh, what do I do?
I told you I ate right before this.
Is kind of. Stop burping.
I think I burp every video.
Repeated material to me.
Sorry. Yes, I love peanut butter. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Where is this coming from?